Hey, it's Abhi here, and I'm going to do a review of the product Crypto Profits app, right? This product is by Glenn Kosky, and this is the sales page, right? Let's take a quick look at that, right? Smart crypto and NFT affiliate system taps into free traffic 24/7, 365 days, and makes us thousands in crypto commissions daily, right? Everything you need included, no experience required. All right, that's a bold claim, right? Smart crypto system multiplier result, all traffic is included 100% free. Spoiler alert, no, right? Tap into the hottest niche online, perfect for crypto newbies and veterans. Beta users are loving this app, right? Travel, enjoy life, be free, right? They are selling you the dream, okay, here. But if it works, then that's fine. That's perfectly fine, right? VIP extra, get results, or we coach you to get results. All right. So let's look at what it is, right? In the Crypto Profit app, what exactly that you're getting, right? So this is the dashboard right here. Here's a welcome video for you, and here's the tutorials, right? Let me open up tutorials and explain what exactly it is, right? So this is the tutorials page, right? You can see what exactly is Crypto Profits app does here, the overview, and the integrations here shows you how to really integrate, right? If you click here, there'll be integration. So how to integrate your autoresponder like GetResponse or Aweber with this, right? It's really simple. Okay, how to set up done for you campaigns. They give you two done for you campaigns in the campaign section here, and how to set up it, right? Pretty quick. Okay, and these are all the affiliate link, all this websites that you can join, get your referral link and then paste it in here. Okay, so what you're basically doing in this Crypto Profits app is you are creating a crypto website just like this one. Okay, this is an example. Okay, you can change the theme color, you can change the background, you can change everything in here. Okay, you can add your photo here, you can add your own steps, right? Step number 2, Bitcoin starter pack in here. So what basically does is you can actually click on this, right? And you can replace this video with any crypto tutorial that you want from here, or you can easily fetch anyone from YouTube, any videos from YouTube, right? I'm not exactly sure, right, if it is legal, because this channel or this person does not have anything to do with Crypto Profits app, and I wonder if whether they have consent from this channel to use their content to promote their own program. But whatever, right? You can actually add your affiliate link in here, and when people visits this, clicks this, you make commission, right? That's the idea. Okay, and when you go below, you will see all this content here. So when people come, you can fetch what is Bitcoin video from YouTube and add it there. Different types of crypto video, add it there. Whatever group of videos that you want to show here, you can show that, and click here to join. And you want to if you want to promote something, you can add it here. Okay, and these are two banner ads which you can replace as well. Coinbase, this is a Coinbase. You can use CoinSwitch, WazirX, whatever exchange that you're using, want to make crypto commissions from, you can use this here. Okay, and you can replace this as well. So that's the basic idea, right? And the basic idea works. Okay, so there's not a lot of problem there, right? They do what they say, except, right, except this free traffic, right, except this all traffic is included part. Okay, I'll explain that in a second as well. So what you need to do is you need to go to product section first. Now inside product section, you can see all these images, right? So in this example, right, if you click on Bitcoin starter pack, right, you can see these three steps in here, right? These three ads in here, right? So you will add products in here. You can replace this one, and you can change the affiliate link for them. You can just simply click edit in here, right? You can change the text in here like buy Bitcoin. You can change anything that you want, right? You can change all these things, and you can add your affiliate link in here. Okay, so and you can just go and save changes, right? That should do it. So that's what this does, right? You can just plug in whole bunch of affiliate links in here. Now my question here is, if you create an awesome website, right? Let's say this is an awesome website, which it is not, but let's say this is an awesome website, epic one, right? But how do you make money with that, right? I get it, right? You can go and click here. The people are supposed to click here, sign up for your stuff, and you make money, right? I get it. But for that, you need traffic, right? You need traffic. So, as they said, right, they are going, all traffics include a 100% free. So let's look at the free traffic model here. Okay. So here I am in the free traffic section. Okay, so here's this simple video from Glenn Kosky, and he explains what this page is, right? So I will explain for you. So he tells you to join several apps, right? Several softwares of his own from the past to get you free traffic. All right, and he also provides you a form to submit for you to get 100 clicks, right? 100 visitors of free traffic, right? So that's what it is. Okay, so let's step one, right? Let's go with step by step. Step one, activate free traffic app one affiliate traffic lab. So I will open this, and this is not working. Okay, you can see that, right? And this is not working even if I click, right? I will do this again. Click it, open. Nope, it's not working. All right, at least it should work. Okay, step two, activate free traffic app 2 plus 3. I'm not sure what that is. Viral newsjacker plus tube traffic machine. Let me click that. And it takes you to VNJ plus TTM. That means viral newsjacker plus tube traffic machine, right? And they give you this product to you for free. Like you learn, I guess, tube traffic, I mean YouTube, and viral newsjacker, his past product as well. So you need to sit and watch all these videos right here. Okay, and I'm not even sure if this is a register link. Let's just check that. I haven't checked this one. I forgot, I guess. Okay, yeah, you are getting free access to tube traffic machine, but it is an old method, and I believe you have to, go and upload a lot of videos to get actually free traffic. Okay, same with viral newsjacker or some sort of tutorial that shows you how to do the work and get free traffic, but that's not exactly what they said, right? All traffic is included. If it is included, you should get free traffic, right? Almost instantly. Okay, step number three, activate more free traffic. So click here for free traffic. I will click that. And this takes me to something called Traffic Zap. I'm not sure what it is. Okay, so you can, I guess, submit some sort of ads in here, right? US free ads. I guess this is a place where you find all these places where you can submit free ads, and I can tell you it's not targeted traffic. It's not targeted at all, and those kinds of traffic is worthless. Okay, your traffic training is here. Okay, let me click on the next button. Right, triple traffic bots. So this takes you to a VIP members area of triple traffic bots. Okay, now I have watched this one. Okay, I have watched this one. The triple traffic bot is basically a strategy where you build a messenger link, right? Facebook messenger list, right? This is a steep learning curve. Let me show you what that is, right? So this is list of, okay, let's click here for supercharge your income. Okay, let's do that. I'll explain this in a bit. Okay, and this takes me to a go to webinar page. I guess it is a webinar where you have to buy something high ticket. Okay, activate your exclusive hosting deal for VIP members, optional if you don't have. All right, if I click that, this is an auto webinar, I guess. All right, if I click that, it takes me to something called a website called Cool Handle, and this is the professional web hosting. Never heard of them, but you can buy hosting from them. Okay, fair enough. Our highest recommended online product. So this is another affiliate link. So if you buy, they make commission. If you buy, they make commission. If you buy, they make commissions. Okay, and that product is valid. All right, this the highest recommendation is invalid. Okay, get our daily tips. So if you click here, it will take you to their Facebook Messenger. You accept and you get daily messages from Glenn Kosky, which I would like to avoid. Right? I'm not picking on Glenn. I want to avoid from any messenger subscription. Right? I don't like a lot of messages on my inbox. Okay, so this is the training area of triple traffic bots. Basically, you're going to set up a messenger list instead of an email list, and inside that messenger list you will be able to build email list as well. Okay, these modules are actually good and it works, but it takes effort, and you need to learn more skills in here as well, and it will take time. Even if you learn this, even if you learn how to set up triple traffic bots, you still need traffic to triple your traffic. Okay, you still need traffic to get into your messenger list, right? Get into your email list via this messenger list. Okay, so this is not a traffic training. This shows you how to really take advantage of traffic that you already have, right? This will not give you any free traffic. Okay, step 4 is submit your link for free traffic. When you're ready, fill in the form below to claim your free clicks on hottest pool of traffic. Okay, we are talking millions of clicks. I have watched this video and few clicks, like 100 200 clicks, and that's about it. Okay, so if I click that, it will open a Google form, right, where you can enter your name, where you can enter your email address and the links you want us to send clicks to, and you add your link here. Okay, in this case you add your link on this of this website, and I don't think you will make a lot of money with 100 200 or even 1000 clicks, right? Because they are not targeted. Solo ads is for IM training, they are not really targeted for this anyway. Okay, there's a lot of moving parts here. Okay, then there is your traffic guide. Let's check that out. And this is generic one page of all the traffic, right? How to get traffic. Introduction, there's an introduction, there's social. All right, one page of Instagram, one page of influencers, one page of Facebook, then one page of solo ads, one page of YouTube. Okay, this does not help you at all. Okay, now they give you all their bonuses, which really confuses you, because there are so many products that is in their product vault, and all of them, now, most of them are not really great, right? And if you watch those, if you watch crypto profit app tutorials, if you do everything, you are going to be in in circle, right? You will not be able to do anything, and you will not be able to get any result, right? So and my suggestion, right, I would like to suggest you to focus on one thing until you get results from that, right? That's how you go and scale up to the next thing. Okay, so in the campaign section you can create a website just like this one, not this one. I'm closing this thing, right? Like this one. Okay, right, these are all the demo websites. All right, so let you can edit it here, just like in the product section. Just like the product section, you can edit Bitcoin for beginner crash course, this title, this subtitle here, right? This description here, you can change the theme color to green if you want, or many other colors, I guess. One, two, three, four, five different colors you can change the theme to. You can change this background image, right? This one. Okay, you can change the banner here and all those sort of stuff. Now side panel is Bitcoin starter pack, so you add products and this is your side panel, and you save changes, right? And you choose your autoresponder, which you integrated from here. Okay, that's what the product is. All right, and then if you go to page content, this is where you add these videos, right? These videos, let me close these videos, right? What is Bitcoin? Let me close this one. These videos, what is Bitcoin, different types of crypto. So you create a folder, and inside that folder you create a simple list of all the URLs of the channel with the title, right? And then you go to the editor that I showed you in this campaigns, and select that one URL, right? That one folder. Okay, so here is all these video folders that the people are created. Okay, now NFT, right? I just saw this, right? Here you see they have created something called something very cool for NFTs that they claim, and I have not seen anything regarding NFT on any module. Okay, not in traffic, not in everything. My guess is you can actually, inside this product category, you can add NFTs here. In here inside of Coinbase, you can add NFT based marketplace here, right? Otherwise, they have not mentioned anything about NFTs in this whole space. Okay, and tutorials, right? I have something more to tell you about tutorials as well. So I talked about this, right? But if you go below, he does talks about traffic in here as well, right? Traffic strategies. So traffic strategies, email, that is of solo ads. He talks about Udemy and solo ads here, which requires deep pockets. If you have that, then solo ads might be a good fit, but converting solo ads into profits is a very huge task. Maybe you will make a sale here and there, and that only if you have a really good funnel in place, right? If you don't have that, if you simply send all these people into this type of websites, I'm you will hardly make any money at all. So traffic strategies 3, this is about Google ads, how to set up Google ads. So you have to spend money to get on traffic as well. Right, this is he talks about free traffic source. This is a generic YouTube video from his channel, from the product creators channel. And she simply talks about Instagram, he simply talks about YouTube, like you can post content on YouTube. All the stuff he is talking about here is true, right? You have to put effort, you have to create content on a marketplace, on a social media, and then keep consistent on creating those content, and then you will be able to get traffic, right? So this is not easy as 1 2 3. Okay, and then there is affiliate marketing blueprint and all sort of affiliate links of the people, of the product creators, of the product vendors. Okay, so I cannot say anything regarding NFT here. I cannot say how these taps into free traffic, which you should run 24/7 for a year, right? Which should make you millionaires, right? Which should make you thousands in crypto commissions daily, just like these images. Okay, these images, right? This is by Glenn. You can see here, this is by Glenn. Okay, one, either he faked, or two, he actually put his money over time to build this portfolio. So it's either of those two, right? I'm not sure whose portfolio is this. There is no name. I can easily go to Google and find a portfolio and put it on sales page, right? And these affiliate commissions are definitely not from Bitcoin, because these are from affiliate offers, right? But these are not his affiliate commissions, right? Most of these are his product launches, are from his product launches, right? And yes, it could be his affiliate commissions as well, because he's a product vendor, and he promotes other vendors as well, because he has quite a large list, and he keeps selling products. Okay, so this is not going to be yours unless you do hard work for few years. Okay, so in my opinion, right, this is wrong, right? Step 3, switch on built-in traffic and watch continuous crypto traffic flood your brand new sites. Come on, man, that's not it. Okay, so in my opinion, you should not get crypto profit app, right? That's what it is, right? I'm not going to talk about upsells or one-time purchases here, because I don't think it's worth it. All right, so that's it for my review, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.